Hello, everybody. Welcome to Newbies Work on Cars. And today's project is replacing this headlight for my 2008 Kia Rio. As we've seen in previous videos, um, the door is dented and the fender too, and I had the mirror replaced. Now, this is the replacement light I got from the junkyard, as I showed in the last video. And to replace it, it's very simple. You basically, if you look on the back here, you have one bolt here, another bolt here, and you have this stud. That's the third one. A lot of people forget that. And for the tools, this job requires only one tool, which basically it's a 10 millimeter, and I have a ratchet, and I'm going to use a wobble extension and 10 millimeter. And the difference between regular extension and wobble extension, if you look here, regular extension is square, wobble extension is more like a ball. And for fitment, regular extension, there's no movement when you try to use it. For wobble extension, it fits and you have a wobble movement. So if you come into a bolt like in a certain angle, you still have, you know, some adjustment here. You don't have to go straight into it. So let's open the hood and take a look on how we can get it out. All right, let's get started. Okay, as you can see, starting to getting loose. And the third one is over here. See, that's why I prefer the wobble extension, because I'm coming into it as an angle. All right, took me a little bit longer for going because, as you see, the car is not straight. Fender is kind of pushing on it. So over here we have two clips. We got one over here for the turn signal. A lot of times it's hard to get it in here, so you just twist out to get the whole bulb out. And you got the bottom one here. Once you get those off, voila, the whole thing is out. For me, I'm going to do an extra step. Basically, I'm taking the bulbs I've put in it because I know they work. Okay. And there's another bulb over here. A lot of people don't know it's existed. And this is the one I got from the junkyard. Shouldn't be this hard, but I know my luck. Okay. Yeah, they both looks great. Yeah. No, actually, I have the whole thing. And we already have the bulb over there. Cover. Okay, it's tight now. Twist this one in. Plug it in. And now the art of wiggle and try to fit it in its bracket. Alright, just need a little bit finagling. Once you get the stud to its bracket and working fine, then you just all you do is push it in until the holes over here matched, and we'll give that a try, see if we'll be able to get it. There you go. All right, it's time to get it checked out and make sure it actually works. And this for you eagle eyes. If you notice, I didn't put this stud nut on it because I forgot. And don't worry, I'm putting it back. You're happy now? Done. As you can see, all the lights work now, and it doesn't look like smash as the old one. If you like the content, if you'd like to help me out to produce more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Hope this would be helpful for you. Have a great day.